today we're going to a farm and going to stay there overnight, and hopefully we can milk some cows, get something to eat there, and chill out for a bit and enjoy the Slovenian country.
I don't know what I'm laughing. It's hysteria, I think. Hysteria.
If you don't laugh, you cry.
All the electrics started going, and then they stalled the engine, and then yeah, just slowly one by one we started losing things. We're about 15 minutes drive away from our accommodation.
Which isn't far.
Our first diagnostic is that the battery's connections are pretty bad, so we're scraping it down like I did with the Mustang that I had, and then feeding it drink. Well, I fed it Dr. Pepper, but we've got wine, that's all we've got, but it's on the acidic level.
And it's terrible wine, so that helps.
Here you go, I'll put this here.
I'd rather see if I can clean it in there. Try that one as well.
There we go. I can put my finger in there, can't I?
Yeah.
Right.
That's what she said. Does that shock you?
Try it, come up.
Yeah, just knock it on as well. See if you can.
Well, we've got something come up.
Right.
No.
Four people.
Update on the car. We're just waiting for the recovery truck to see if they can do anything to it. We've been waiting about an hour and a half now, and I think my dad's found a bear.
You see the bush there? You see the gap?
Yeah.
It was in there. So I sort of sneaked up to take a photograph, zoom right in. There's no movement in there anymore, so I don't think it's there. In the back of a deer or a bear, I don't know, but it was dark coloured. It wasn't black, but it was, you know, like really, really dark brown. How are you?
We can drive it to the service now because it's the weekend, and we will drive it in the morning to the service. Now, what kind of service do you want? Like, no matter where. Because we have like mechanics around our house.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. No, that's fine. I'm just gonna. We're doing a vlog the whole. Yeah. So we've arrived at the farmhouse that we're staying at. If you can just hear that, that is a horse. The car is being taken back to the recovery people's house. Monday it will be taken to a mechanic's where hopefully the alternator can be replaced and it will be fixed. We'll either stay here one more night or we'll stay in a hotel. Might have to cut some of the trip shorter and cut some things out, or do a couple of days of more driving, but we'll go from there. We'll play it by ear. At the moment though, we've got great views, a little bit of wine, and yeah.
This is very nice. It's mushroom soup.
Canary turkey, and this is a beef meat.
What's this one?
Corn polenta, and this is a cabbage with the walnuts, zucchini, maybe with cheese or bacon, cottage cheese rolling dumplings, zucchini, pumpkin, bits.
Wow, thank you. These are honestly like the tastiest tomatoes, the most tomatoey tomatoes is the only way to describe it.
Best tomatoes I've ever tasted.
Even
So
better.
much flavour.
Yeah.
It's just pure flavour, isn't it? I'm curious on this one. Oh, spongy, funny thing. Oh, hold on. Have an inhaler.
We've just had our evening meal. We've had to book a taxi to where we're going to get our car fixed tomorrow. And then we're just booking accommodation. Other than that, good night.
Night.